Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss a Power BI visual level calculation formatting options. This feature is released in the August 2024 Power BI update. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So you have to do two things first. First is to download the Power BI desktop latest version from Microsoft website. Second thing, you have to enable a visual level calculation. So how to do that? You have to go to the file. In the file, option and setting, click option and setting, and here you can see option. Click on the option and then click on preview features. Now come down and here you can see visual level calculation. If it is not enabled on your Power BI desktop, you have to enable. Click OK, close the Power BI desktop and reopen it. Now I'll say cancel. Now I'll go to Power BI desktop visual gallery and here I will add a one column chart and let me adjust the size. And here from the data model, I will add a business segment on x-axis and I will add unit price on y-axis. Now I will add list price on y-axis, sum of unit price and sum of list price. What I want basically, I want a difference, percentage difference between unit price and the list price. And I don't want actually sum of unit price and sum of list price. So now here you can see one feature, new calculation, or you have to right click on the visual and here you can see new calculation. Just click on new calculation. And here you can see the business segment, sum of unit price, sum of list price, and I want to calculate price, price diff percentage. So I'll say sum of unit price divide by sum of list price. So here you can see sum of unit price and sum of list price divide by, so unit price divide by list price and just hit the enter button. So here you can see the percentage, but it is a 0.59. Basically, it is a 59%. If you don't know about the visual level calculation, please watch my video. You will find the link in the description box. So now I want to format this. Okay. So the DAX format function is there. And let me here enable the y-axis and I want to hide the some unit price. Now I want to hide list price as well. So I want only percentage, business segment wise percentage. So I can format this using a DAX function and we'll see that. So if I'll say format, this is the DAX function and format, and I want comma, I want hash dot 00 percentage and bracket close. So you can see there is no bar actually. So basically the problem with the visual level calculation is this is the actually text. It is returning as a text. That is the reason you can see the bar is disappear. Now let me correct it actually and we'll see how we can format. So now let me remove the format and here from here also I'll delete. So now it is fine. 59. Now let me enable a data level. So data level is also enable. Now you can see the new option in the format pane. Go to journal. In the journal, you can see new option data format. Just click here and select the column name. Column name is a price diff. And here you have to type hash hash dot 00 percentage. Now you can see here and the data level 58.63%. So let me zoom in actually. So you can see here the percentage. Now it is formatted. Now let me show you another example. If I'll go back, I can see the percentage here with the percent sign. Okay. Now I will show you another one. So what I'm going to do, I will again take a one column chart and I'll put it here. And again, I will add a business segment on x-axis. And what I'm going to do, I will add a total sales, sum of total sales. And here I will add a cost, sum of cost. So I want to find out the profit. Basically, the business segment wise profit. I don't want total sales or the sum of cost. And now let me enable a data level. And if I'll zoom it here, so here I need a two thing. I need a dollar actually, dollar sign, dollar 67 something like that. And I can also I'll say the decimal place will be 2. So decimal place will be 2. Okay. Now here you can see 66.82 millions. So I need a dollar 66 dollar symbol 66.282 millions. Okay. Now again I'll right click here and I will go to the visual level calculation. Okay, and now first thing I will hide a sum of total sales and sum of cost. Okay, now here I will calculate profit. Profit, and I will say sum of sales minus sum of cost. Okay, so here if I want a dollar, I cannot use a format function as we have seen previously. Now again I will go here formatting pen and I will go to the journal and again the data format, and from here I will select profit and here I will say dollar hash 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 00. So now you can see here if I'll zoom in, so now you can see here dollar 66.63 millions. Let me come back, so and let me zoom out. So here you can see if I zoom in actually, so you can see that the format dollar 66.63 million. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.